He got hit hard. Ooh. My paper is his main man. He just started high school. He got skills, bro. He be practicing. Ooh, they don't know. I can't lose. She's manhandle him. He said, please. Sheesh. That nigga said, I'm trying to get the rebound. Yeah, this is, hey, he the focal point. He the focal point. Bro, if he can just get those rebounds. If soccer, bro, Sakuragi gets those fucking rebounds. Y'all can at least turn the tide, but at least 4 or 5 points. Sheesh. Damn, at 5'6" range. Yeah, he just threw me to love. He said, give me that. That nigga said, class, cuz. That nigga said, class, cuz. Hold on, let me get that real quick. He said, nah, nigga. Nah, he said, that's mine. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh my god. They said this make me Ferguson. You thinking? Oh, my man thinking. Oh. Oh, that nigga said turn up the heat. That nigga thinking. Got his head straight. That man thinking. Oh, and he got a name for himself. Bro, that's your fault, bro. That's your fault, my nigga. That's my thing, such a. Ooh. Get in front, get in front. His bitch ain't cheering him on, that's why. And he mad. Cause you focus on the wrong thing.
Hi guys, finally had a mutual will put on the show on the court. Let's
That's tough. That's tough.
If you can hold the ball in a hand, you'll be a great basketball player.
That's tough. Nice, bro. Ooh. Oh, he does it on instinct, bro. Get the rebound, my nigga. Get the rebound. Get in front of that, bro. Get in front of him. He don't know. Oh, it went in. Those two changed completely. Oh, they're confident. They're confident. Why is she thinking of sumo wrestling? In front of him. Oh, he heard that. Bro, you don't know that. Yeah, just step in front of him. You, bro, it's not, bro. Just stop talking. Oh! Can't do it by himself. Yeah. Hey, homeboy came back. Sheesh. Yeah, bro. He said, he get on your head. Nigga, she worried about recalling that. It's not you, nigga. He's quick, nigga. Nigga, bro. This is bro every time. Nigga, you deserve it. But you playing like ass. The powerful number 4. Damn. Sakuragi been slacking. I knew it. He's bro, take a rest, cuz. You should take a rest, my nigga. You held that game up. Nigga, yo, just help him. He has pride. We'll give him that. He said you get 1 minute rest, then in the last 2 minutes, nice. You get, but that's all you get. They ain't come back from this. Come on, bro. Uh-oh. Hard counter. He's still that good. Yeah, you fucked up. Yeah, get in front. Position underneath the basket. Stand in between your opponent. Royal Center. Oh man. Nice. Oh, he said nope. Nice. So let me get this straight. Sakuragi fucking up the plays. Always fucking he fucking up because one, Haruka's not out there. I'm like, nigga, you focus on the wrong thing, bro. Like, dog. You focus, bro. You're supposed to focus on the game, not on that broad, man. Like, dude. I mean, it's nice to think about that, but bro, don't. It's like you're in the middle of. You're like in the middle of a fight, bro. You gotta focus. Focus on getting the ball, bro. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. How you got that ball, Clem? That was it. He said, give me. And then said, give me that. And he says, nah, cuz. I ain't gonna lie, he did it twice. And before the end, so Akagi comes back, subs for Rukawa, because Rukawa is like literally carrying the whole team. And Sakuragi's fucking up. And another coach is like, hey, this nigga don't know shit about basketball. Hey, play with this nigga, bro. Just don't go hard, but show him no mercy. He be talking shit, call himself the rebound king. Nigga, how you only got 2 rebounds? Like, nigga, come on. A guy could be teaching that nigga before they started playing him. He's like, look, nigga, lower your center of gravity. Use your body weight to push him out. Get in front of the motherfucker when they try to do it on you. Like, dude, it's that simple. Hell, I ain't gonna lie. I had a hard time with that too. Like, hey, it was what it was. Now it is what it is. But hey, they're catching up. They just did a 4-point difference in 2 minutes. McCall has to get back in. He has a 1 minute rest. Hey, it's gonna be lit next episode. But anyway, comment down below what y'all want to see me react to next. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.